needed more space in the kitchen, taking down a couple of walls, attach a new roofing, take out some major beams, put in some footings for additional beams to support the roof, the new roof. Very satisfying. We're very, very happy with it. He always encouraged us to, anytime we had any questions, just feel free to give him a call or text him, and so just simple questions like what happens, with step 1, step 2, like, okay, the demolition's done, and he was always able and ready and willing to explain to us, the process, as it was phase flowed into the other after each one was completed. So we were able to see, how it all, we love it. Does everyone that comes into the house, yeah, they love it. They say, oh, wow, this is really something. Wow, gee. So we really appreciate it. And we appreciate when it comes to the, putting in the finishing touches like the cabinets, he relied on quality, I would say, master craftsman, Renee, the gentleman who did the cabinet. He has extensive background in woodworking, finishing. The finishing results were just amazing, and the same with all the other craftsmen, the tilers, with the tile on the wall, the plumber who installed all the fixtures, the plumbing. We appreciate the quality craftsmen, at each phase of the construction. The cabinets, the color, the rich, earthy wood tones of the cabinet, and how it really comes out, with the stain and the lacquer that's applied, the finishing lacquer on the cabinet. It really brings out the natural wood tones, the swirls that you see in wood, nice and warm, just the overall quality of all the craftsmen that went into